Hello students, welcome to the subject Social Science, Standard 7, Chapter number 4, Civics, Growing Up as Boys and Girls. Today we are going to start with a new topic. We are supposed to understand about the life identity of boys and girls. How we are knowing or how it is instilled in us, that we are going to understand in this chapter in detail. Introduction part, boys and girls. Important part of one's identity. Influences the kind of behavior we must have. What is the outlook of it? How the boy should react, how the girl should react. This has already been installed in the minds of the children in the younger ages. As it has been instilled, okay, when they grow up, so when they have been gifted also, they have been gifted differently. Now girls, as you see, they'll be given some toys which could be played inside the house, whereas boys, if you see, they'll be getting something like trucks or cars or something like that in earlier ages. But in age 2020, everybody is counted as equal. But our topic is going to make you understand what we had or what we have seen in the previous years. Okay, so let's see society's outlook. How the society plays a main role in this. How the society makes each one understand the fact that you are a boy, you are a girl. Okay, boys are supposed to be tough, girls are supposed to be soft spoken, you have to stay inside the house, whereas boys, you can go out, you can enjoy. So it has been instilled not in the family, but it as well as in the society. So that makes the person understand what's the person's identity. As growing up, you are able to understand you are a boy, you are a girl, right? But other than that, we are having the outside people, okay, who will make us understand that you are supposed to behave in this manner. Coming to the term equality, how are we equal? Most society respect men and women differently. Okay, they count both men and women differently. In any aspects, in any sphere of the life, you can check it out, the men and the women are being counted as differently. May it be the workplace, okay, the burden which the women is handling, may it be in the house, may it be outside the house, the level of the work she does, okay, is comparatively more than the males. No doubt, males are also doing their work, okay, they teach the skills of the life for sure, but in present situation. Earlier, it was not there. The roles of women played and the work they do are usually valued less than the roles of men played and the work they do. Okay, so here the counting of the things also happens as you read. In this chapter, what we are going to study, okay, first we will be understanding the growing up in Samoa in 1920. We will be trying to understand through the story of Samoan Island, which is in the southern part of Pacific Ocean, where boys and girls, how are they treated and at what age, how they are been growing up, whether they were going in schools or they weren't going in schools. So all that detail in this particular topic will be knowing. Then we have the next topic, that is growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960s. So in Madhya Pradesh, that is in India, in the year 1960, okay, how males were raised up. All the detail regarding that we'll try to understand through this topic. The next topic which we will be focusing is my mother does not work. My mother does not work. But we will try to understand why we are saying this title, my mother does not work. What is behind that? Is your mother not working? Yes, she is working, okay, but she is not asking for any money. She does all the work free of cost. If we are being questioned, can we do the work? Think about it. Valuing housework. Okay, then how are we supposed to value the housework? How are we supposed to raise the bar for our parents, especially our moms? Okay, because they are doing not only the housework, they are even doing works outside as well. So they are maintaining the balance. This 2020-2021, okay, we see that females are obviously handling both the work. Earlier also women did the work, but it was not recognized. So we are supposed to understand we can bring that change. That is valuing housework of what mom is doing. Then we'll be focusing on the lives in domestic works. Lives of a domestic worker who does all the domestic work. Though the maid is a lady, okay, she is having her own house, she is having her own children, she has all the works which are there in the family. So other than her work, she is managing 3-4 house extra. So it needs all the physical strength to do that work. So we are supposed to value them as well. Lastly, we'll be seeing the topic women's work and equality. How are we supposed to make women's work and equality as same? Okay, so we are going to check out this all things in detail. Hope children you have understood with this topic. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.